Hi, this is the Fairphone 4 and I'll show you how to customize AD option on this device. So first, just let's open the Muviz Edge application. Let's find the app. Here in AD section, you could select the another theme, for example this one, tap to apply. We could switch here the backgrounds or just to add them. For example, we could swipe them to the up or to the down and apply. Here we got the music controls. We could hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, to show the notification sounds, the calendar, and to show status of battery always while device charging or never. Let's go back. Switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display. We could activate or turn off this option with the help of the switcher. We could show it on lock screen always while device charging or on music. We could decrease and increase the brightness level, to switch AD timeout, to switch low power after timeout, to change the screen orientation, to close it with the double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you could close it on fingerprint. On screen off, you could set the shuttle, the start, the end time of the AD option. And also we could use burn-in protection and pocket modes here. With the help of the switchers, we could also turn them off, and we could disable the AD option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AD option and now our Fairphone phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.